Hello friends, welcome to ZimSIC Robotics Lab with the Zim Science General. Our topic in this video is history and evolution of robotic systems and robots. Objectives in this video is to define robotics and robots and to outline the history of robotics. Then, what is robotics and robots? Robotics combines science, computer science, engineering, and technology to produce intelligent machines called robots. Robots are computerized machines designed to carry out tasks with little or no human intervention. History of robots has its origins in the ancient world. Ancient robots were created simply for entertainment and also for ritual or religious purposes, e.g. the dwarfs of ancient Egypt. Robots have evolved from single-tasked to multiple-tasked machines. At the mechanical digesting duck robot, which was created in 1738 by a Frenchman whose name was called Jacques de Vaucanson. The duck was a robot in the sense that it could walk, it could quack, swim, flat its wings, eat, and even go to the toilet. Then we have the trumpeter. The trumpeter was a soldier which was created by Kaufman in 1810. The soldier could play very well the trumpet. Then we have the first humanoid, which was 2 meters in height, and its name was called Electro the Motorman. Electro the Motorman was created by Joseph Barnett. This humanoid robot could walk by voice command, could speak from pre-recorded records, could smoke cigarettes, could blow up balloons, distinguish between what is red and what is green using his photoelectric eyes, and his head could be moved. Arms could move, and he could also count from 1 to 10 using his fingers. Then Electro the Motorman was joined in 1940 by Sparko, a mechanical dog which could sit and beg to humans for food and etc. Then we also have the first industrial robot, which was created by George Devil in 1954, and its name was called Unimet. Unimet was a human arm which could perform repetitive tasks in the automotive industry, like painting, welding, and etc. Then we also have Warbot 1. We also have Warbot 1 and Warbot 2, but we are going to consider Warbot 1, which was created in 1973. This was the first full-scale humanoid robot, very intelligent. It was the first male robot whose name was called Android. A person, it could speak in Japanese to a person in Japan, give directions, and it used its external receptors, artificial ears and mouth. Then were launched in 1975 and arrived in Mars in 1976 and were able to send colorful pictures to Earth. Then we have a hobbyist whose name was called Richard Green, who was able to produce a human hand which was black in color and named it Shadow, the robot. It was five-fingered, and the robot was designed to replicate as far much as possible the functions of the human hand. It manipulated tools and objects with greater precision, just as what the human hand is able to do. Then we have Asimo, produced by Honda, Japan. Asimo was created and exposed in 2000. Unfortunately, he was abandoned in the year 2015. The humanoid recognized the handshake, and it also waved at persons, and it also responded very well to human actions. Then we have the first female humanoid, whose name was called Sophia, who was introduced in 2016 by a Hong Kong-based company. Sophia could mimic human expressions, recognize people, and hold simple discussions. Then finally, we have Agibot A2. This Agibot 2 model walked from Suzhou to Shanghai, taking 3 days, and was able to enter the Guinness World of Record for doing that. Agibot 2 is 96% accurate in voice recognition and 99% in face recognition, among other things. Agibot is the current robot holder of walking the longest distance. See you in the next video. Sorry, before we get to the next video, here are the quick questions. Define robotics and robots. In what two reasons were ancient robots created for? And finally, can you quickly identify the robots given in the picture in the order they existed? Thank you once again.